it says jump. The sound of J. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all jumping. Looks like she's jumping really high. Look how far off she is off the ground. Both of them. Jump. I just jump in the lake. There he goes. And jump in the lake. I just jump with my brother Jake. See all those J's? Just jump, Jake. Look, they're having fun jumping. Just fun just to jump. I just jump down the street. Instead of walking, she just jumps. It's having fun. I just jump on my feet. There's somebody's feet. I just jump up so high. Look at her. The leaves are falling down. What fun. I just jump to reach the sky. Look at him trying to reach the sky. I just jump in the sand. Oh, look, she's on the beach. See the water back here? This is all the sand. She's jumping on the sand. I just jump on the land. So look, she has her jump rope. You really have fun just going out with your jump rope. I just jump and sing a song. Oh, wow. See, she has her microphone right there. And she jumps and sings. I just jump all day long. And the word list is jump, just. The sound of J. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.